everyone, good morning to all of you. Well, myself Priyanka, I am from Kudra. Today I am present here for my presentation. So before saying anything, I would like to pay heartily thanks to my honorable sir.
Thank you.
Who has given me this superb chance to speak before you all. First of all, I would like to talk about my qualification. I have completed my graduation in 2019 with 68% from BS College, and I have completed my 12th standard in 2016 with 62% from the same college, and I have completed my 10th standard in 2014 with 71% from Ram Janki Girls High School Kudra. Recently, I am appearing in PG from Bir Kunwar University along with getting training for English language, getting training of English language from Logos International Institute. Now I would like to talk about my destination. I wanna become a professor in zoology department because firstly zoology is my favorite subject, and I wanna get opportunity to research in this field. Even I am pursuing in this field. As far as my family concerned, I belong to service caste family. There are 5 members in my family, in which one brother and one sister. My brother is working in Merchant Navy. In present time, he is in Singapore, and my sister completed her graduation, and my father has been principal in his college, and my mother is a good housewife. She works hard for us daily. Now I'd like to talk about my hobbies. My hobbies are learning new things, reading book in free time, and cooking different types of dishes. Now I'd like to talk about my favorite points. So my first favorite point is book. My favorite book is You Can Win, written by Shiv Khera. You Can Win is a self-help book with a motivational and practical approach to achieving success in life. This book helps to build your attitude right, because your attitude determined by how you think and behave. Shiv Khera says winners don't do different things, they do things differently. I learned one thing from this book: we should not postpone today's work for tomorrow, we should try to finish today. So my next favorite point is scientist. A scientist is a person who studies or has mastered in the field of science. A scientist tries to understand how our world or other things work. So my favorite scientist is Sir Isaac Newton, because Newton formulated gravitational theory in 1665 after watching an apple fall and asking why apple fell straight down rather than sideways or upward. Newton also developed the 3 laws of motion, that is Newton's law of inertia, Newton's law of acceleration, and Newton's law of action and reaction. So my next favorite point is player. So my favorite player is MS Dhoni, because he is a great player despite he is a great human being. MS Dhoni is one of the successful captain ever in this world, because under his captaincy India won second World Cup 2011, playing against Sri Lanka, and T20 World Cup 2007, and ICC Champions Trophy 2013. MS Dhoni is also known as Captain Cool, because he never lost his coolness in any situation. Whether he was losing or winning matches, he remained calm. MS Dhoni has won Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. MS Dhoni is married to Sakshi Singh Rawat, and they have a daughter named Jiva Dhoni. So my next favorite point is novel. So my favorite novel is Wings of Fire. It is also an autobiography, the missile man and president of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Wings of Fire is an account of a young boy who tries to achieve his dreams beating all odds. This story emphasizes the importance of family, relatives, and friends helping to achieve each other's goals and turning dreams to reality. Dr. Kalam strongly believed that there is a divine fire in each of us provided by God, and we must put in our sincere effort to add wing to that divine fire. Dr. Kalam says, if you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. So my next favorite point is author. My favorite author is Rabindranath Tagore. because he wrote Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem for India. Internationally, Gitanjali is the Tagore best known collection of poetry, for which he was awarded by Nobel Prize in 1913. Tagore is also known as Gurudev, Vishwa Kavi, Kavi Guru. So my next favorite point is game. Cricket is my favorite game because cricket is the most popular and most exciting game in our country. Cricket is the most watched sport in our country, and people have an emotional connection with it. My favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni because he has a great leadership quality. In India, cricket is so popular because of some players like Sachin Tendulkar, the god of cricket, MS Dhoni, the run machine, and Virat Kohli, the hitman. Sorry, Virat Kohli, the run machine, or hitman Rohit Sharma, etc. Now I'd like to talk about my favorite movie. So my favorite movie is Hum Saath Saath and directed by Suraj Barjatia. We watched in this movie what is the importance of family. We learn after watching this movie, I learned one thing, that is difficulty seems small when family is together. Small fights in every family, but how to deal with this situation we learn through this movie. So I like this movie. And now I'd like to talk about place. So my favorite place is nature related place. Nature includes non-living things, that is mountains, rivers, plants, trees, etc. Silvery light of moon, deep and dark forest, snow covered mountain, fragrance of flower as the beauty of nature, and I really like it. Nature is the precious gift for us provided by God, and humankind dependent on nature. So my next favorite point is actor. So my favorite actor is Salman Khan. Some popular movie of Salman Khan are Maine Pyar Kiya, Hum Saath Saath Hain, Dabang, Kick, etc. But Tere Naam is the most heart-touching movie ever for me. Salman Khan also works from some NGOs like Wing Women Foundation. This NGO helps the poor, backward children and giving them job, treatment and education. So my next favorite point is actress. My favorite actress is Madhuri Dixit. She is a famous actress and great dancer. She is a trained professional Kathak dancer. Madhuri's Hum Aapke Hain Kaun is the best movie for me. Now, Madhuri Dixit is also brand ambassador of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. Now, I'd like to talk about my strength. So, my strengths are always positive in every situation, always smiling, hard work to learn something. I accept myself as I am. I never disappointed to see others' success because I know I have ability to do better than anybody else. I do any work with a thought that is I can do it. Now I'd like to talk about my experience. First of all, I know I am too young to say this, but experience is not a matter of age. It can happen at any age. So I am gonna share experience of life. Life is too short to worry. Life is not about being rich, being a popular, being a perfect. Life is about being real, humble, and kind. What is the reason that many popular persons help to needed people? Because to be popular is not a life. Someone says, do good for others, it will come back in unexpected ways. I really mean it. Experience of life is the best teacher for me because it gives me taste first, lesson upward. Shakespeare said, I cried when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without legs. Means value it whatever you have, because life is full of blessing. Life is no any pause button. So enjoy each and every moment of your life. Life is not always perfect. It has many ups and downs, but that's its beauty. Life is a journey, not a race. So enjoy your journey, love your journey. So now I'd like to talk about my achievement. I achieved the master degree in science. I also participate in seminar in my college. Now I'd like to talk about my pleasant memory. My pleasant memory is before few years ago, the day was 14 November. I was in 5th standard, and on that day there was a competition organized among the children of whole school in Kudra. So my sir told me, you have to participate in speech competition. I felt nervous because my all competitors are from English medium and I am from Hindi medium. But I thought sir told me, so I had to do. When it's my turn, I try to speak well, and then audience and judges are so impressed. Everyone clapped for me, and I won the first prize. It's really pleasant memory for me because it was the turning point of my life in a good way. So now I would like to talk about topic. So today my topic is dowry custom. Dowry custom means a transfer of property, money, expensive gifts to from bride's family to the groom family at the time of marriage. The intention of dowry custom is bride's parents make sure their daughter will be happy and independent after marriage. But being a girl, I have objection for this intention because dowry is completely injustice with women, and it doesn't give equal status in society. Because of dowry, men always be superior to women. Dowry system is good unless until it is considered as a gift given to the bride by her parent, but groom's family are demanding money as a dowry to get married. That is illegal and wrong. I insist you all parents, money, expensive gifts, property can't give us happiness. It comes from education. So teach your daughter a lot, so there is no need to give the dowry. Now I'd like to talk about my Logan's International Institute. Logan's International is an international institute which provides us world class of English and three kind of accent like American, British, neutral accent, along with having a good pronunciation, and it provides good career in English language, and it offers many kind of courses like basic language training, advanced English training, personality development course, and call center training, etc. Now I wanna pass out the message for you all. Always believe in yourself means having faith in your own capabilities, because when you believe in yourself, you have confidence to take action and get things done. Never hopelessness come to your mind, and never give up often first failure, because failure gives you a chance to reach your goal and where you want to go. And I want one thing more, that is, if you want to shine like a sun, firstly you will burn like a sun. So I insist you to all work hard, whatever you do, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to be. At last, a very thanks to you all to listen me a very carefully. Have a